Today I'm going to show you how to style the relaxed, pulled back, texturized hairstyle. So the product that I'm going to be using for this is the Forte series texture clay by Alex Costa. I know it's pronounced Forte. I know. You guys were railing on me in the comment section last time I made a video about this product. I made a mistake. I'm sorry, but it's called Forte, not Fort. I can't even believe that I thought it was called Fort. I should have known. Since this is going to be one of those relaxed, pulled back hairstyles, I don't need to use a hairdryer for this tutorial. I don't need it for this hairstyle because I don't want it to look too uniform. I want it to look messy. I want it to look effortless. I want it to look like I put hair product in my hair, walked out the door, and started my day from there. So I'm gonna get a decent amount of this product. About that much, about the size of a dime, maybe just a hair more. About that much right there. The most important thing to any good hairstyle is making sure that you emulsify the product. Otherwise, it doesn't have time to heat up and break down before it goes into your hair. So you want to make sure you rub it in between your hands like this, get it nice and warm and broken up and spread out evenly so that it can spread out easily in your hair. Now that that's nice and emulsified, this product is super sticky as I've mentioned before, but that's good because it's going to give us a lot of hold even though we don't have to use a hairdryer. So I'm going to start at the back of my head and then sort of work my way up to the front like this. Eventually coating the fringe and then going back through. And as you can see, I'm kind of going across and then wiping forward to make sure to get as much product off of my fingers as I possibly can. And then just going back in with your hands like this, crossing the hair side to side, front to back, and making sure to coat it as evenly as you possibly can. So once you have applied the product to your head, you want to now let your hair dry for about 10 or 15 minutes before you proceed to style it, just to let some of that moisture go away so that you can lock your hairstyle into place. Alright, so it's been about 10 or 15 minutes now. My hair is a little bit drier than it was before, so now we're going to style it. Oh, what's that? You like the bracelets that I'm wearing right now? Well, that's great because they are from today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Guys, when it comes to accessorizing, there is absolutely no one better than Rose Gold and Black. They make bead bracelets, necklaces, rings, watches, everything you could ever want to kick your style game up to the next level. And not only that, their prices are absolutely unbelievably low, especially for the amount of quality that you get with these pieces. I have had some of these pieces for going on 2 years now, and not one of them has ever failed me, which is absolutely insane. So if you guys are looking to pick up some super high quality jewelry pieces for an incredible price point, I will have Rose Gold and Black linked in the description for you. Also, be sure to keep an eye out for a notification from me regarding their Black Friday sale coming up next week. It's going to be crazy. I will be posting a video on that day about it with an exclusive link in the description of my video for it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, and this is pretty much the final results. As you can see, I've got a decent amount of volume in my hair. Not as much as I would have if I used a hairdryer, of course, but this is definitely good enough. If you're looking for something quick, simple, that looks good, that you can style your hair with on the go, then this is definitely a hairstyle I would suggest for you. And Forte Series Texture Clay by Alex Costa is also a great product to use for this because it has such a strong, matte, textured hold. It allows you to use the product without a hairdryer and still achieve some volume, which is kind of rare and hard to find. So I'm not sure if Forte Series Texture Clay is still available. I know it was a limited run product, only available for a specific number of days. If it is, I will link it for you in the description. If not, stay tuned and I will try and update you guys once I know that it's available for purchase again. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today's video. Don't forget to click on the link in the description of this video. Head over to rosegoldandblack.com. Grab yourself some awesome jewelry pieces for an incredible price. Also, if you guys have not already, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe. Join the crew family, turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post a video next, and I'll see you guys later this week. I'm out.